Hello guys! For tonight, another staycation po tayo. Kasi dumating lahat ng mga anak ko. So, kumpleto kami kanina. We had dinner. Little get together. And I'm so glad that the whole fam is complete. So, ito yung room na saan kami mag-i-stay. Just for one night with my youngest daughter. So, I'm going to tour you para makita nyo naman kung ano ang itsura. Baka sakali, if you want to stay in this place, may idea po kayo. So, we start at the door. Auto-lock po siya. Ito po yung kanilang mini kitchen. May microwave po. And they also have kettle. Ayan po. Hindi naman siya kalakihan. The living room. May countertop table. And a television monitor set, of course. Toiletries. So, let's go to the room. May vanity mirror. Pasensya na po sa bag. So, ayan. So, ito po basically ang room. Ganda po siya. May mga extra beddings din dito sa cabinet. Ayan. Let's see the toilet. Oh, they have a washing machine. Ayan, they have a bucket. Teka lang po, nasaan ba yung right? So, ayan. May exhaust fan po. Shower. With heater. So, maganda po siya. Simple lang din. Pero, so nice. So, that's about it po. Thanks for watching, guys. Abangan nyo po yung mga susunod kong post during my 1 week stay in the Philippines. Bye. Have a great day.